Hey there guys, in this video I want to talk about the best apps that you can actually use for reselling, and this is going to be straight to the point, not wasting your time. So the first one, eBay, it's an overwhelming favorite. It's got a large buyer base, works almost any category like vintage clothing, housewares, antiques, jewelry, electronics. So you can use the buy it now, not action, and check sold listing for pricing, use calculating shipping, and describe items fully with a lot of photos. So that's very important. That is important. Now another one is Depop. So the Depop, buy and sell and discover fashion. This is another one, but this is great for trending clothing, fitting specific aesthetics like Gov, Y2K, and True Vintage. So this is low, no selling fees. So this is very good for primarily the trendy clothing, lifting specific aesthetics. Less good for high priced items on lower side. Now another one is Poshmark. So now with the Poshmark, easy to use but takes 20%. I don't know what happened there. Oh, okay. But with the Poshmark, it's easy to use but takes 20% commission. It's great for trendy name brand male clothing. Shipping rates have gone up. Be aware of it for Poshmark, okay? Now another one is Facebook Marketplace. So with the Facebook Marketplace, what you can actually expect with the Facebook Marketplace is that great for local sales, heavy bulky items, and broad categories. Also, I don't know if you know the guy who was making about the ideas how you can make money with various ideas. I don't know what his name is, but he's very popular right now. And that guy said he made. Do you know what he was doing? Is that he was selling for mining. And he made most of the money through Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace can be huge, only because plenty of people are actually spending so much time there on Facebook because they're addicted to reels and everything. Therefore, I highly encourage you to use Facebook for reselling. It can be good. Also, Merkle, this is another one that Marketplace. Also, the prices could be too low to profit, but again, still want to share it. There are mixed reviews for it. Now the Amazon FBA, it's got also great traffic, but with Amazon FBA, what is the problem is that it got more complicated, more restriction, and harder to get started. So if you're gonna put in the work, maybe you can make money with it. But from my experience, is the Amazon FBA was insane many years ago. Maybe someone is going to disagree with me, but this is the same thing with YouTube. You have no idea, if you knew how to do the YouTube game, how much you could be making 7-8 years back comparing to right now. I know the ads were different, but you have no idea that no one was really making videos about drop shipping. There was 0 competitors, and you could get, oh my god, it's So this is the same thing with Amazon FBA. You just want to run the trends, run the waves, but I don't know if this is it. I'm way more fan of Facebook Marketplace and utilizing it because I feel people still not utilizing it completely. Vinted, Vinted is insane. So okay, I'm going to be honest. I don't know if you're from the US, but Vinted is very, very good. My partner just reselling her clothes. I don't know, hundreds and hundreds of euros she made on Vinted, and I'm a huge fan of it. So that's another one. Whatnot is another one. Shop, sell, connect. The live shopping marketplace. This is another one that for you can actually check out for yourself. So with the Whatnot, also the highs can be high on the category, the fees, but still the Whatnot is also interesting one. So of course, now for the helper tools, what can actually help you sell more are Google Lens, that you can identify items, eBay sold listing, therapy, seller amp. So this is another one. Analyzes deals and look up items on Amazon, Vendu, a cross listing tool to post across multiple platforms, pirate ship, discounted shipping labels, photo room, and also Google Sheets for tracking inventory. So that's something that you can actually do, and how you can use it. And then also Listermate, so it generates descriptions and sell-through rates from photos. And Tavendi, they're snap a photo, auto generates a listing to Facebook Marketplace. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And I hope this video provided you a little bit of value, what kind of apps you can actually use, guys. So thank you very much, and have a great day and goodbye.